the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's word of the week for week number 7 is motivation. Now motivation, the definition for motivation is simple. The desire or willingness to do something. So get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 7 is going to be the following. 1, star jumps. 2, Y squats. 3, crunches. And 4, fire hydrants. So make sure you guys stay tuned and we'll get to that workout in just a moment. Alright, so as I mentioned, the 4 exercises that we'll be doing for Fast 5 number 7 is going to be 1, star jumps. Now star jumps, you're going to start with your feet together. You're going to jump up in the air while your hands go up. Your legs are also going to split open like this, like a star. Okay? So it looks like this. You're going to put your feet out and in as quickly as possible. It's star jumps. Y squats. Put your hands up in the air. If you guys are old like me, you remember something called YMCA. So we're going to go Y. Okay? We're going to have our feet shoulder width apart and we're going to squat down, holding that Y position with our hands. Y squats. Okay? Next one we got crunches. We're going to go down on our backs and we're going to do crunches. So what you're going to do is put your hands on your legs right here, and what you're going to do is you're going to lift up your head and your torso and you're going to put your hands, slide them over your kneecaps and then go back down. Make sure you go up and down. All the way up and down. Those are our crunches. Last one we got fire hydrants. I apologize. Go ahead and stay down as if we're doing a plank position. And what you're going to do is you're going to lift up one of your legs. I'm going to start with my right leg. And I'm going to go up and out and in. We're going to do that 5 times. So make sure you guys stay balanced. We're going to go up. We're going to do that 5 times on the right. And then the same thing out on your left side 5 times. And you're going to go back and forth for 30 seconds. All right, so stay tuned and we'll get to that Fast 5 workout number 7 in just a moment. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go, star jumps. Make sure you get your feet out and back in. All right, get to those Y squats, go down. Keep your hands up. Remember, want to remember the song? YMCA. Keep your hands up. Drop your bottoms. Nice job. Breathe in. Out. Keep going. You're doing great. Don't quit at me. All right. Nice job. All right, get down on your bottoms. Let's go, crunches. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Remember, slide your hands over your kneecaps. Alright, let's go fire hydrants. Very good stuff. Push your plank position and extend your leg out. Nice and slow, don't rush it. Alright, 5 and switch. Focus on your breathing. And time. All right, 1 minute rest. 1 minute rest. Good time to get some water. Catch your breath. So really hope you guys are enjoying these Fast 5 series. Again, this is Fast 5 number 7. So if you guys have not checked out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, make sure you do that. Try doing 1 a day. My goal is to have weeks of these Fast 5 series. Okay, 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left, my friends. Shake it off, shake it off. We got round 2 coming up. Now I want you guys to try to work harder than you did the first round. Now that you know the movements, we're going to repeat them back again. 30 seconds each. Now that you know the movements, try and do it more than you did the first round. 10 seconds left. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Star jumps, go. Last round. Everything you got. Got it. Keep going. Let's get those Y squats ready to go. Squat. Remember YMCA. Watch, you're gonna have it stuck in your head now. If you haven't heard the song, ask your parents. I'm sure they have. Remember, you're not leaning over, you're not hunching your back. You're dropping your bottom as low to the ground as possible. Think of it as a field goal. Referee, it's good. If you haven't checked out that video, I'll drop the link down below. It's a good one. All right, get down, crunches. We go 3, 2, 1, go. Slide those fingers up, let's go. Do more than you did the first round. Make sure your head touches the floor, the mat, whatever you have available. Just do your best. Motivate yourself, like our word of the week. Motivate yourself to do one more. Not to quit. All right, let's go. Fire hydrants, let's go. Remember, 5 on your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. Garcia's sweating already. Come on, you got it. Let's go, don't quit. All right, time. Nice job, you guys did it. So proud of you. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this Fast 5 workout number 7. Please make sure you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Share it with your friends, share it with your family members, get the whole neighborhood involved in these workouts. You guys will have a blast, I promise you that. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called From Downtown. Yes, as you guys know, basketball season is here and we're getting close to the NBA Finals. So I decided I wanted to shoot out this video to you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned for this game From Downtown. All right, see you soon. All right, so for this game From Downtown, the only items you're gonna need are going to be a hat, go Cowboys, a sock ball, and a laundry basket. If you have tape, if you have chalk, if you have cones, those were also items that are necessary. All right, so here we go. So for level 1, what you're gonna have to do is I have 2 marks right here. We have a line here, which is at a 6-foot mark, and then we have another line here at the 8-foot mark. And what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna place a sock ball inside of a hat, okay? And we have a basket. What you're gonna do is the student is gonna select which one they wanna make it from. Right here is the free throw. If they make it from here into the basket, it's worth 1 point. Or they can shoot a 3 all the way over here at the 8-foot mark and make it for 3 points. You're gonna have 1 minute to try to make as many points as possible. Pop it up and try to make it in the basket. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I tried to make it in. Just Yeah, students want to come up with a strategy on how to try to get the sock ball into the basket, popping it up from the hat. There you go, 1 point. From downtown. Oh. Two points. Ooh. Oh, just missed. And time. So for level 1, I just got 2 points. Stay tuned for level 2 in just a moment. All right, so now for level 2, we're gonna play a game that's similar to Around the World. Now I have some tape marks over here on my left side and right side. So I have one spot here, that's 1, 2, 3 up top, 4, and 5. Now what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go around the world and score all of those shots in 1 minute. So again, I'm gonna start here. I have to pop it up, make it. If I do, I move on to the next line, pop it up, make it here, move on to the top of the key, pop it up, again, to the side, boom, and finish it off here. You can start on your left side, right side, completely up to you, but your goal is to complete all of those shots in 1 minute. Okay, so let's see how well I do in this challenge. All right, so here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, just have to pop it up. Try to make it in the basket. There, it's 1. 2, up top now. Oh, 3. Can he do it? 4, last one. Come on. Boom! With 34 seconds left to spare. Voila! Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game from downtown. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please let me know your thoughts on the game. And again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the P.E Spot, and let us know what was your favorite part of the activity and what you can use at home to do this activity as well. So again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the P.E Spot. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.